This week, at the statutory public inquiry into the Post Office Horizon scandal, referred to as one of the biggest miscarriages of justice in British history, details were revealed of a failed attempt by the Post Office to replace the Horizon retail and accounting system 10 years ago. Despite the Post Office claiming the Horizon system was 100% reliable, in 2015 MP Andrew Bridgen revealed that the Post Office was urgently seeking a replacement software system from IBM. Former team lead at the Post Office NBSC, Gary Blackburn, testified at the inquiry that the project was cancelled due to concerns over cost, scale, and delivery deadlines. Now, the Post Office is working to replace the system by 2025 and has added an extra year to their Fujitsu contract in light of their transition to a new system. However, this would not have been necessary if the Post Office had taken action to replace Horizon earlier. The scandal, which saw many lives destroyed and one of the biggest miscarriages of justice in British history, began in 1999 when Horizon was rolled out across the Post Office branch network, leading to an increase in subpostmasters reporting unexplained shortfalls in their accounts. The Post Office told each of them that nobody else was experiencing problems and covered up the computer errors. Later, a small group of MPs campaigned for affected subpostmasters and some were prosecuted for fraud and theft and sent to prison. The Post Office has yet to comment on their failed attempt to replace Horizon. As inquires progress and more information becomes available, it will be important to hold the Post Office accountable for their mistakes and push for the 2021 replacement project to provide justice to those affected by the scandal.